নমস্কাৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজি মই নতুন এটা ভিডিঅ' লৈ তোমালোকৰ ওচৰলৈ আহিছোঁ। আজি মোৰ ভিডিঅ'ৰ বিষয়বস্তু হ'ল ক্লাছ 7ৰ এই আহি থকা ইউনিট টেষ্টৰ সম্ভাৱ্য কুৱেশ্যনবিলাক আমি আলোচনা কৰিম। মই কিছুমান কুৱেশ্যন বাছি লৈছোঁ, সেইবিলাক পৰীক্ষাত আহিবই, কাৰণ প্ৰথম লেশ্যন 4টাটো পৰীক্ষাত আহিবই, গোটেই তাৰ কুৱেশ্যনবিলাকেই আহিব। তাৰে কিছুমান মই দৰকাৰী কুৱেশ্যন তোমালোকক বাছি নিৰ্বাচিত কৰি দিছোঁ। চিলেক্টেড কুৱেশ্যন কিছুমান আছে, কুৱেশ্যনবিলাক চাই যোৱাচোন। এনচাৰ দ্য ফলোয়িং কুৱেশ্যনছ। Who was searching for Tom? Who worked for Aunt Polly? What did Ben give Tom in return? How many marbles have collected Tom? What do you mean by tadpole? What was the name of Tom's aunt who formed Animal Lovers? What was the full form of AWB? What was the name of an organization who formed Borun? Who is a nature lover? Who is the poet of the poem The Quarrel? Whom did the sister quarrel with? Where did Lakshmi live? What did Lakshmi buy in the market? To whom did the boy give the shawl? এইবিলাকৰ short question, 1 নম্বৰী question. Next, write whether the following statements are true or false. Jim came with a bag. Billy Fisher gave Tom a kite. Borun is a nature lover. Rhino calves were separated from their mother. Next, deer also the world suffers during that flood. Fill in the blanks. The lady was as proud as a wolf, jackal, fox. Next, the mango is as sweet as sugar honey. The boy was as cunning as a wolf, fox, jackal. The color of the car is as red as apple rose blood. My mother was as brave as a lion, elephant, tiger. Since the narration. The teacher said the sun sets in the west. Mohan said I draw pictures. Rohit says I am always busy. Find out the pronouns and classify them. We are sitting in their room and talking with them. They will inform us about their matter. It is a very beautiful flower. Her frocks is as colorful as theirs. Either of them will be selected. Identify the adjectives and classify them. The night was warm yesterday. These dishes were prepared with fresh tomatoes. You can busy any book you like. He has enough money to buy this plot of land. Neither pen writes well. Next আছে change the voice. He reads a book. Tom played football. Radhika sings a song. Translate into English. তেওঁ সদায় স্কুললৈ যায়। অনাহকত সময় নষ্ট নকৰিবা। সি এইমাত্ৰ কামটো সম্পূৰ্ণ কৰিলে। তেওঁ সদায় স্কুললৈ যায়। সূৰ্য পূবফালে উদয় হৈ পশ্চিম ফালে মাৰ যায়। ৰাইট পাষ্ট টেন্স ফৰ্ম অফ গ' কাম ডু বাই। এইখিনি আছিল কুৱেশ্যন, সম্ভাৱ্য কুৱেশ্যন। গতিকে যদি মোৰ ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিছে তেতিয়াহ'লে লাইক আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবা। আজিলৈ সামৰিছোঁ।